Okay, so Abby had asked for a tutorial on how to do these short wraps, or short row wraps for the color Affection. So hopefully this will be helpful. It's going to be pretty short. So I'm about ready to get to where I did my last wrap from the previous row's short row. So I'm going to knit to where I did my last wrap. And I'm doing it where you can see the color change pretty easily. So this is the stitch that was wrapped before. You can see that the green yarn is around the base of this stitch, but it wasn't actually making a new stitch. So I'm going to knit this stitch like normal. I'm going to knit 3 more stitches past it. And then I'm going to wrap this stitch right here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my working yarn and bring it to the front, slip that stitch to the right needle, take my working yarn to the back so that it's wrapped around here, put the stitch back on my left needle, and bring the yarn back around to the front. So I've wrapped all the way around it now. Now all I'm going to do is turn my work around and work back the other way. So this stitch is still wrapped and I'm not going to do anything with it, and I'm just going to go back the other direction. And that is all you do to wrap these stitches for the color Affection.